Big bad Spanish man. I don't care, you can hear. He's scared. Oh shit.
The funny thing is, these kids don't even live here. Like, go home.
I know, where they
These
from?
people live here. They don't. The people that's in front of our place live here. The people that are here are their guests, so they need to have their guests under control. What?
I'm recording.
What? What are you gonna put this on tape?
YouTube.
Why would you do that?
Because I'm gonna be popular.
Popular for what?
Because Casey Davies told me to.
Casey?
Yeah. He wrote on my status. Oh shit, they're gonna see me. Major creeping.